Good morning, students. Now, lesson number 15, 15.7 Earthquakes. Okay, what is an earthquake? So, an earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a short time. You just learn about a thunderstorm. हमने क्या अभी सीखा था? Thunderstorm and lightning. In class, जिससे हमने आगे की सीखा था, you learn about a cyclone. This natural phenomena can cause large-scale destruction of human life and property. Fortunately, these phenomena can be predicted to some extent in the weather department can warn about a thunderstorm developing the some area. जैसे कि हमने अभी फिनोमिना के बारे में ये सभी क्या है फिनोमिना ही है ना थंडरस्टॉर्म या कुछ भी और है वो is a thunderstorm occurs there is always a possibility of lightning and accompanying it, so we get time to take measure of protect ourselves from your damage caused by this phenomena. इसमें से हम अपने वो बचा सकते जैसे कि तेरा हाउएवर वन नेचुरल फिनोमिना ये भी एक नेचुरल फिनोमिना है विच वी आर नॉट येट एबल टू प्रेडिक्ट इट इज़ इन एन अर्थक्वेक. मैंने अभी बताया ना कि व्हाट इज़ अ अर्थक्वेक उसके ये बारे में है. इट कैन कॉज डैमेज ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑन ह्यूज स्केल. अर्थक्वेक होता है तो ये सभी होता है ना, वो हमें पता तो नहीं होता है कि अर्थक्वेक कब होगा या फिर कैसे होगा. होता है तो हमें ये सब जैसे कि अ मेजर अर्थक्वेक occurred in India on 8th October 2005 in Uri and other towns of North Kashmir, जैसे कि 15.8 में दिखाया गया है वैसे. Before that, a major earthquake occurred in 26 January 2001 in Bhuj district of Gujarat. जैसे कि हमने देखा था ना कि 2001 में भी ऐसे अर्थक्वेक आया था बहुत. यहाँ पे 15.8 में दिखाया है कश्मीर अर्थक्वेक. Ask your parents about the huge damage of life and property caused by these earthquakes. Collect a few pictures showing the damage caused by these earthquakes from newspapers and magazines of those days. Prepare a short report on the faring of the people during the earthquakes. What is an earthquake? मैंने अभी आपको समझाया ना कि what is an earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling or earth which lasts for a short time. What happened when it occurred? What can we do minimize its effects? These are some of the questions which we shall discuss below. What is an earthquake? Earthquake के बारे में तो आपको पता ही है ना. An earthquake is sudden shaking for trembling of the earth lasting for a very short time. It is caused by a distribution deep inside the earth's crust. Earthquakes occur all the time all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequency than can cause and damage of buildings, bridges, dams of people. There can be great loss to life and property. अर्थक्वेक होता है तो हमें बहुत बड़ा नुकसान भी होता है ना. The earthquakes can be caused floods, landslides, and sometimes a major transfer occurred in the Indian Ocean in 26 December 2004. All the and areas around the ocean suffered huge losses. तब भी वो बहुत लॉस हुआ था ना. ओके, आई होप आपको अर्थक्वेक समझ में आ गया होगा. नेक्स्ट है 15.6. Take an outline map of the world. Locate the earth in coast and Andaman Nicobar Island in India. Mark other countries around the Indian Ocean in which could have suffering damage. Collect counts in the caused by the in India from your parents or other elders in the family or in the neighborhoods. What causes the earthquake? My grandmother told me that the earth is blessed on the horn of a bull, and when the bull shifts into the other bone, an earthquake takes place. How could to be true? In ancient times, people did not know the true cause of earthquakes. क्या है earthquakes के बारे में पढ़े तो their ideas were therefore expressed in magical stories such as the one told by Bhujao's grandmother. Similarity myths were prevalent to in other parts of the world. जैसे कि यहाँ पे है कि now we know that temperatures are caused by the disturbance deep down inside a uppermost layer of the earth called the जैसे कि 15.9 में दिखाएगा metal out core and in the outmost layer of the earth is not in peace. क्या है वो peace नहीं है. It is prevalent each fragment is called the plates. जैसे कि 15.10 में these plates are in a continual motion when they brush past one another, or a plate glaze under another due to a volition that cause a disturbance. The earth is crushed in. It is the disturbance that show up as in the earthquakes on the surface on the earth. जैसे कि हमें यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है कि जो प्लेट्स है यहाँ पे जो प्लेट्स दिखाई दे रही है वो एक दूसरे का ककड़ if scientists know so much about earthquake, can try also predict when and where the next one will strike. Scientist जो भी है वो although we know for sure what cause an earthquake, it's not yet possible it predict when and where the next earthquake might occur. जैसे कि हम अर्थक्वेक के बारे में कोई भी हम ऐसे कह नहीं सकते वो कब आएगा कहाँ पे आएगा, ऐसे हम कह सकते हैं अर्थक्वेक के बारे में नहीं. Thermals in the earth can also be used when planets or metals the heats the earth, or an underground nuclear explosion is carried out. However, most earthquakes are caused by a movement of Earth's plates. Since earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates, boundaries of the plates are not weak zones. Where earthquakes are more likely to occur, the weak zones are also known as or fault zones. In India, the areas most threatened are Kashmir and the central Himalayas. The wool is northeast run of Kutch, Rajasthan, and in plain some areas of South India also fall in the danger zone. जैसे कि 15.12 में इसे दिखाया गया है. The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of the magnitude on a scale called a Richter scale. Richter scale, what is it? Okay, the power of an earthquake is expressed the terms of a magnitude on a scale called a Richter scale. Really distinguishing earthquakes in magnitude higher than a 7 on the Richter scale. Both Bhuj and Kashmir earthquakes and magnitude center than 7.5. Tremors produce waves on the surface on the earth. These are called seismic waves. The waves are recorded by an institute called यहाँ से है जो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. ओके, थैंक यू.